Hey, what's up? This is going to be a short video that's going to demonstrate how to connect your record player to your iPad in order to sample. I have a video that shows how to sample a record into the iPad, but unfortunately some people were having trouble with trying to figure out how to connect the turntable to the actual iPad, so I'm going to demonstrate that in this tutorial video. First thing you're going to need is an iPad and a record player, of course. You're going to need a cable to connect your record player via sound to your audio interface. For this tutorial video, we're going to use a auxiliary an aux cable, which is pretty much the same aux cable that you would use in your car, or if you wanted to plug in your phone to a speaker to listen to music. So we're going to use this to run audio from the record player into the audio interface. You may need an adapter depending on what type of interface you have. My interface only accepts 1/4 inch adapter, and these are only, this aux cable is 3.5, which is the typical size. So we're going to put this on the end of our aux cable in order to get sound from our vinyl record player into our audio interface. And if you look on the front of this audio interface, this Complete 6 audio interface, it only accepts the 1/4 inch adapter as far as the record player is concerned. You're going to need a USB cable to plug into the back of the audio interface to connect to the iPad, of course, and then you're going to need a camera connection kit. This is a USB camera connection kit. This iPad is a USB C iPad, so this is a USB-C camera connection kit. If you have an older iPad or an iPhone, you would need a Lightning camera connection kit, which looks like this, and I would highly advise you to get the USB 3 camera connection kit, not the USB-C, but the USB 3 camera connection kit, which has the ability to be powered via your charging cable on the back of the USB 3 camera connection kit. You'll probably more than likely find this one in stores, and this one is almost not very handy for much of anything but the iPad, because 9 times out of 10, if you plug anything into this Lightning cable into your phone, it's going to come back with the message, this item draws too much power. And so I highly recommend, if you do only have this available, to get a powered USB hub that is able to be powered directly off of the USB hub and into a wall outlet or a battery pack. So we're just going to go with the USB-C camera connection kit today, because this is a USB-C iPad. We're going to connect the USB-C camera connection kit to the iPad. Then we're going to connect our USB cable into the interface of our interface, and then connect our interface to the iPad. Now with the USB-C iPad Pro, at least, you're able to power the audio interface directly off of the power off of the iPad. In the case of the Lightning cable, you will probably need external power from the wall outlet or a battery pack just to have enough power to, regardless if you pick up the USB 3 camera connection kit, in most cases at least. Also, make sure that you plug in your speakers into the back of your audio interface, or if you have headphones. This is just for the sound, just typical speaker outlet. So this is going from the audio interface, this is going to a speaker. Next, you want to plug in your portable turntable. This is the Newmark PTO1 Scratch, which is a portable turntable. It's able to be powered directly off battery power, or you can plug it into a wall outlet to power the the iPad. I mean the turntable. This right here is an adapter for the smaller record sizes. So if you have a size, a wide donut hole, like I call them donut holes, you're gonna need an adapter. This is not the adapter that's native to the PTO1, but it does come with an adapter. Unfortunately, I lost the original adapter that it comes with, but it would be sitting in here, and then you take that out, you put it in there so it fits comfortably on the record. And you can get these at local record stores as well. Now it usually sticks in there better than what it is, so I'm just showing a quick tutorial. But pretty much, yeah. If you're not able to find one with a tight fitting like that. So let's hook up the vinyl record player. We're gonna show the outputs of the vinyl record player real fast. This is the headphone jacks, and then these are the RCA line outs. The power for the DC if you wanted to plug in an adapter into the wall, and then the on and off switch. We're going to go out of the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack and plug it into our audio interface. So we're going to get our auxiliary cable with the adapter, plug it into the first input of your audio interface, because it's either going to be one and two, or 1 or 2 on your audio interface that you want to plug in your record into to sample, at least with a quality sampler, because you're not able to choose another input at the moment. So again, we're going out of the headphone. I'll put it on the turntable. Make sure you turn on the record player. Power's on. Make sure that your volume's up to a sufficient level. And you got, with the PTO1, you got a crossfader, open and close. So open is pretty much on. That means on, and that's off kind of. So when you see the white dot, that's just indicating that sounds that is on, in the on position, that sound's actually coming through, as opposed to if you have the circle, the hollow circle, no sounds coming through via the cable. You may still be able to hear some sound coming off the record just because of the grooves of the record, but you won't be able to hear any sound coming in directly into the app that you're sampling into. So we're going to bring the needle over. The platter starts the record playing, and as soon as I hit this part, we should hear some sound, hopefully. Now we don't hear any sound because I don't have my iPad set to monitor in, but we do see that sound is coming through, indicated by that sound moving up and down on the iPad, which is the sound indicator in the levels. Now we hear a little sound. Like I said, if you have it on the hollow dot, there's no sound coming through, but open. Also, you want to try to set your record to a comfortable speed. Smaller records typically are going to be around 33 revolutions per minute. Bigger records are going to go in higher. Hey y'all, what's up? My camera died, but anyway, I hope you were able to get the gist of how to sample a vinyl record into the iPad. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. And if you found this information helpful, please comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll share the information so others can also benefit from having this information. Deuces.